Your residents deserve more than activities that simply pass the time. They deserve moments of real connection, a chance to create something, to feel like they belong. The Belonging Through Art, Music, and Movement program brings gentle movement, familiar music, and fully guided art together in one experience designed for every ability level. No art experience is needed. No pressure to do it right. Everyone participates at their own pace. And something beautiful happens. People who rarely engage begin participating. Conversations start flowing. Families see joy, pride, and connection. They can actually hold in their hands. Through experiences like circle painting and Draw All You Can, participants aren't just filling time. They're making something real. We bring everything. All the materials, all the facilitation, full setup and cleanup, so your staff can simply be present with your community. My name is Hip. I've been doing this for over 20 years. And what still moves me every single time is watching someone pick up the brush who is absolutely sure they couldn't. And then seeing what they make and watching them want to show everyone. Whether it's one workshop or an ongoing series, the goal is simple: to create belonging through art, music, and movement. A free 20-minute call is all it takes.